Hello dear Geminis, welcome back to my channel. This is your reading for the new moon of May 11th, 2021. I hope you guys are keeping safe. Let's begin shuffling. Okay. So one card is already out, which is the Angel of Digestion. The other card I'm going to pick from this reading will be maybe this one, which is hidden right here. Angel of Nurturing. Beautiful. This deck contains the messages from your guardian angels. Let's see what these both angels have to give the messages to you. So I believe these two angels come into picture when you guys are stressing a lot about something. Maybe you are going through something in your life. Maybe somebody in your family is sick. Maybe you are going through a heartbreak. Maybe your loved ones are suffering, or maybe you are just taking too much stress on the basis of whatever is happening around you, and that's maybe is causing you anxiety, and in turn digestive problems, and that's why the Angel of Digestion comes into picture. So in case you're feeling that, you will have to say these affirmations. You can start saying them tonight as well. Say it at least 3 times so that it affects you, and say it until the new moon, which is on May 11th, and see the difference in your life. Maybe see heartbreak or loss of someone close to you, or the general stress that you would be feeling around this time will be reduced to a great extent. Of course, I can't say that they will bring the loved one back, that cannot happen, but definitely reduce the pain. So maybe some of you are feeling unloved around this time, and that's why it's time to give yourself and others more love as possible. Let's see what the Angel of Digestion has to say. Are you feeling agitated? So maybe there's something which is out of control in your life. Maybe you're not able to meet your partner. If you talk about your personal life, maybe you're not able to meet your loved ones, your parents, or your partner, and that's why you're feeling agitated, because things are currently not in your control right now, and that can cause such agitation. Is this something you find hard to swallow? Of course, this pandemic is a little hard to swallow because so much is happening around, and you are like, you feel stuck. You feel like, oh my god, I'm so helpless, I'm so stuck in my home, not being able to meet my partner, and not being able to meet my parents, or whatever it is. I feel that you guys are at a distance. Maybe you guys are at a distance with your parents, or you guys are at a distance with your partner, or your girlfriend or your spouse. It can be in any form, depending upon your relationship status, and that is causing you all this problems. Maybe you guys are fighting, and because there's a lot of gap, or just generally you haven't met each other in a while. Of course, are you having digestive difficulties? In turn, your stomach is causing some troubles, I feel, Geminis, for some of you. It says pay attention to what you're thinking or talking about while you eat. Wholesome food, thoughts, and conversation can make things easier to process and accept. So, especially when you're eating, please do not say anything negative, talk about anything negative, the news or the general situation, anything. Just focus on what you're eating, and just show gratitude about that you have a full plate of meal in front of you, or your loved ones are safe, or you are safe, something like that. So the positive affirmation that you need to speak is, my appetite is balanced and healthy, and my digestive system is functioning normally. I am at ease with my physical body. I am comfortable in my surroundings. The people and situations in my life nourish me. The people and situations in my life nourish me. This is the positive affirmation that you need to speak at least 3 times. Start saying them today until the new moon of May 11th. Now this card saying that the people and situations in my life nourish me, and with the Angel of Nurturing on the other hand, you definitely feel a lack of love. You feel like you're unloved. You feel like maybe because your parents are not allowed your parents are not around, and that's why you have to do everything on your own. And maybe this is the first time you are ever away from your home. Maybe you're a student studying abroad, or maybe you are a big guy or girl staying away from your parents. Now you're stuck there, so you have to handle everything on your own, and you feel like you're not loved anymore, or there's nobody to nourish you or to take care of you, that kind of a feeling. Let's see what the angel of nurturing has to ask you. Do you have a broken heart? Definitely. So maybe some of you guys are going through relationship problems. You guys recently broke up, maybe, or it's just the problem broken heart because you lost a loved one, a parent or a friend, anybody. Are you feeling unloved, like I talked about, because the other card talks about nourishment? So you're feeling unloved because you're alone. There's nobody to hug you, and there's nobody to physically. I think physical presence is more important. No matter how advanced we become, I feel I am more of a person who will not be okay with just a text or a phone call. I need the person in front of me. I need that warmth, I need that touch. I think it's very important for me. So some of you guys must be feeling that way. It says, the angel says, take the time to nurture yourself and know you are loved by the divine. Even if you feel that your relationship is broken and there's nobody now, you're single and all alone or divorced or whatever, it says that you're loved by divine. If you lost a parent, then you're loved by divine. So it's just that, don't feel that you're alone ever. Open your heart and have more compassion for yourself and others. Take a long bath and drink plenty of water to nourish yourself. So definitely, I think maybe a lack of water is causing you the digestion problems as well. We guys tend to drink less water these days. I don't know why even I do that. So I have to constantly remind myself, maybe a glass of water every 1 to 1.5 hours will be good for you to complete the number of minimum glasses in a day, and that will help you heal your stomach as well, because it's very hot outside these days. So the positive affirmation that you need to say on the new moon is, I am cared for, loved and appreciated. My heart is open. I allow love to fill me up, body, mind and soul. I willingly nurture myself and others who truly need and want my nurturing. Right? So maybe it's your parents and maybe you're taking care of them. Maybe it's your children and you're taking care of them, and you feel like it's not being reciprocated, maybe because they're not in a situation to reciprocate it at this point of time. Maybe because they're very, very ill, or they're far away, and you're just giving all on the by showing care, and you feel like you have absolutely nobody who will show that kind of care for yourself. So don't think that way, because this card, this angel of nurturing, says that you are loved by the divine, and what else do you want? I think it's more than enough when the angels are here and they tell you that you are loved by divine. So do not, please get over that heartbreak, that loss of someone, that divorce, that breakup, or that the general toxic environment, because you are loved by divine, and only remember that. So that will, the moment you feel that you're loved by the divine, all these humans around you won't matter anymore. I know that these relationships are important, but he's or she or it is the supreme power above us, and we ultimately need to be loved by him. We have to be good in front of the eyes of him and not the other human beings. So if you do well, and if you take care of yourself, because if you're loved, if you're that loved and you feel the love, you'll automatically start taking care of yourself like you are loved, right? You have to give yourself love, and then only you can give others love. So remember that you are loved by divine. When you start taking care of yourself, your digestive problems, every problem will solve in itself, right, Gemini? So this was your reading for the new moon from the special messages from your guardian angels. So you guys take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.